Folks, this is on behalf of Shanti Kumar V. I help IT professionals scale up to higher pay without prior experience by guiding them through hands-on learning of cloud and DevOps services and real-world job tasks. Through my coaching, IT professionals achieve higher pay grades in the cloud and DevOps industry, even if they lack previous experience, by immersing themselves in live job tasks and learning the intricacies of these services. As an expert in IT cloud and DevOps coaching, I empower IT professionals to advance their careers and earn higher salaries by providing them with the necessary skills through practical, on-the-job training in cloud and DevOps services. By coaching IT professionals in the IT cloud and DevOps industry, I enable them to fast-track their journey to higher pay levels, regardless of their prior experience, by equipping them with the knowledge and expertise gained from real-life job tasks in cloud and DevOps services. IT professionals can accelerate their career growth and command higher salaries with my specialized coaching in cloud and DevOps, which focuses on learning live job tasks and applying them to real-world scenarios, bridging the experience gap to achieve financial success. As a part of scaling up profiles of IT professionals, I came up with the decomposed levels of my coaching modules. The Level 1 coaching gives you orientation on learning the live job skills towards AWS/DevOps job tasks building. The other levels will be discussed during this session. If you missed the course/payment links, please ping me on WhatsApp +91 to 8,885,504,679, with your name and location. They can be shared. Good luck! In the video's description, please find the course details template and the payment link.